everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Talk. Today we are going to be learning about something very important and interesting. Maybe it's an exciting topic. Oh, not a lesson again. We are going to be learning about something fun. How does anesthesia work? Firstly, what's anesthesia? Anesthesia is the state in which you feel no pain. This is just the basic definition. There are 3 types of anesthesia. We'll be learning them in our today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Anesthesia is the state in which you feel no pain. Most of you who had a dental surgery or you might have been having some major surgery at the hospital. Even parents would know that. You should ask your parents for that. Let's take any hospital, any major surgery. Like for example, let's take that it's a laparoscopy surgery. You'd just be getting a shot of anesthesia before every operation, every major operation. There'd be an injection. They're just going to give you a shot of that. And this injection is being known as anesthesia. In this state, you feel no pain. In these major surgeries, you don't even remember. Like if you need a stitch, they're just going to be giving you anesthesia and you are going to sleep. You're just going to sleep like that. And when you wake up, there's just going to be a miracle that you can see a stitch. You'd be feeling no pain. You can't even remember what happened. But you can see that stitch in your body. Yes, that's a very important thing in the medical industry. Like when we do these major operations, if we can't feel that pain, that would be unbearable. That's why we need anesthesia. Firstly, let's see what are the types of anesthesia and in which cases are they used. Anesthesia is of 3 types: regional anesthesia, general anesthesia and local anesthesia. This local anesthesia is being used in medical cases, like in dental cases. Like let's say that you have some kind of, as you have a sweet tooth, you eat a lot of chocolates and you have a cavity. Let's say cavity. You should be going to the dentist and getting your teeth off. In that case, you would be getting an anesthesia in which you don't feel any pain, but you won't be in sleep. That would be just a minor operation. So you won't be sleeping, but you won't feel the pain. You can see everything happening, but you won't feel the pain. Like that is because the doctor injects in your gum, in this part. This part. The doctor is going to inject in your gums. When we are just going to get our teeth out of our gums. We all know that. So we shouldn't face any pain. That's why we are going to inject in the gums in dental cases. The second is the regional anesthesia. The regional anesthesia is when like you fell down and if you have a fracture, having a regional anesthesia. Like in fractures and all those cases. That would be major. That would be mostly in the cases of arms and legs. You'd be having regional anesthesia if you fall down or if you have a fracture. Even if your ulna fractures, you'd be having a regional anesthesia. This is very important, regional anesthesia. In this case also you won't be in sleep. Now we are coming to the last type of anesthesia, and that's the general anesthesia. General anesthesia is when you won't remember what happens. You can't even remember what happens. Because you would be in sleep. For this medicine to go inside. When it goes inside, we would just go sleep. I'm also gonna sleep because it's my bedtime, but I'm not gonna have any anesthesia. I don't want to inject medicines inside me. Bye. Mainly ask your mothers. When we are born, our mothers would be having general anesthesia during their delivery. So, in all these cases, like when we are born, they'd be giving general anesthesia. This is also an example of that. Ask your mother, were you asleep? Did you feel the pain? Ask your mother all these questions and give the answers in the comment section. I'm also gonna ask a personal experience of my mother now. So bye.